What's up mga tito? Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maging rockista. Siyempre, step number 1, kailangan itim yung t-shirt nyo. Alam nyo kung bakit? Because black is the only color that rhymes with rock. Okay? So, pagka hindi kayo naka-black, semi-rock and roll lang yun. So, kailangan naka-black kayo. Tapos, dapat may pick kayo, pero hindi nyo gagamitin. Tapos yung diction nyo, pagka magra-rock and roll kayo, dapat yung last word hindi na halos maintindihan. No? Parang ganito, tuturo. Sailing away through the moon. Diba? Sailing away through the moon. Wounded. Diba? Wounded dapat yun. Wounded. These old piano. Diba? Piano dapat yun. Pero piano. Trying hard to capture the moment. Moment dapat yun. Pero there's more than I know. There's a bottle of old that's still out in my room. In the nightmares, things still in my mind. And I'm dreaming about movies they won't make me when I'm with an ironclad fist. I wake up in French in the morning. Kita nyo? Kasi pagka yung ginawa nyo dyan is yung normal na sasabihin niyo parang hindi na kasi siya magiging rock and roll. Sitting here wasted and wounded at this old piano. Di ba? Parang naging non-rock and roll na yung tunog. So yun. That's how you rock and roll.